We are busy in Cesa setting up a war chest. We've gone to our members and we've said to our members, we need to take corruption head on. We're going to be putting up the fees of our members, and the members are happy to pay extra fees. And we're going to challenge local authorities, and we will challenge our own members and others if we think that there's a case that needs to be investigated and people need to be brought to book. So we will do that, and we are already setting up this war chest to make that happen. When you try and get senior counsel on board to take on these cases, it costs a lot of money. So we need to develop a chest of significant quantity, first of all, to make it viable for us to do that. In terms of the decision-making process towards what we are going to specifically do, and I would give you an example. Typically, we have a municipality which awards a contract to the 6th or 7th highest price tender. And there are 6 or 7 people who have been members of Cesa who have been eliminated from the process and have not been awarded this project. And on querying it, you get an answer back to say that some of the first 6 were eliminated on the basis of the fact that they were not technically competent to do the project. But more specifically, we have reasons such as the 6th or 7th person that they've awarded the contract to was closest to their budget, and therefore they felt it very comfortable to award this contract to the 6th or 7th price tender. Now that's clearly for us a case that needs to be investigated. And we will then interdict that kind of project from happening on behalf of our members. And that's typically the kind of thing that we will do. We see a lot of this happening. There's no clear reason why the project should be awarded. And in terms of the transparency, in terms of the point system, in terms of their own rules, there's no reason why it should be awarded to that. And we will then put a stop to that through a legal process.
For a start, we're looking at $1 million fund which is set aside, ring-fenced. It's 10% of our annual fee income, and it will be ring-fenced specifically to deal with challenges that we're talking about.